Hello everybody, that's okay. Let me start for the first condition. That's feminine English with Mr. Kabbalah. Basic writing skill part 7 of lesson 1 or unit 1, which is conjunctions actually. The first 6 parts have been published, and with this the seventh part, which is conjunction, especially the coordinating conjunctions. ሰባተኛው የቤዚክ ራይቲንግ ፓርት ነው ከዩኒት 1 እስከ ዩኒት 5 ቤዚክ ራይቲንግ ኮርስ ነው በአጠቃላይ ለማየት የተፈለገው። ስለዚህ የሰባተኛው ፓርት ወይም ሰባተኛውን ክፍል conjunctions ወይም አያያዥ ቃሎች ምንድናቸው? ስንት አያያዥ ቃሎች አሉ? እንዴት እንጠቀምባቸዋለን? ጀምራለሁኝ አሁን። ስለዚህ እነዚህን ይዘቶች ኤክሰርሳይዝ በማድረግ ነው ወደ ይዘቱ መንጋው። ፋይናሊ የመጨረሻው ታርጌት የሚሆነው ፓራግራፍ እንዴት እንጽፋለን፣ ኮምፖዚሽን እንዴት እንጽፋለን። ቤዚካሊ እነዚህ ኢኒሻል ስቴፕስ ናቸው። እነዚህ ኢኒሻል ስቴፕስ ማለት መነሻ ሐሳቦች ናቸው። structure of paragraph, structure of sentence, sentence structure, function of sentences, conjunctions እነዚህን ካላየን ሐሳቡን አገጣጥመን ፓራግራፍ ወይም ኤሴ መጻፍ ስለሚያስቸግረን basically እነዚህን የግድ መታየት ያሉበት ጉዳዮች ናቸው። So this is part 7. What's coordinating conjunction here? When it's a coordinating conjunction, they possibly joins two main clauses to make compound sentence. We can say coordinate. Coordinate means make linking. Okay, coordinate linking two main clauses, two principal clauses, or independent clauses to make compound sentence. Coordinating because the noun itself has a meaning. Okay, coordinating ስንል ራሱ ስሙ የሚያሳየን ነገር አለ። coordinate ማድረግ ማገናኘትና አንድ ማድረግ ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ደግሞ coordinating conjunctions ይሄን ስራ የሚሰሩ 6-7 types of coordinating conjunctions አሉን። እነሱን አጠቃቀማቸውን ነው በምሳሌ በተደገፈ finally summarize question ነው የምሰጠው። So I think በዚህ መልኩ ነዳ the first coordinating conjunction is for. I have already written every information here. For ስንል ምክንያትን መግለጽ ሲያስፈልገን for እንጠቀማለን። for ተመሳሳይ አገልግሎት አለው because as and since ጋር አንድ አይነት አጠቃቀም አለ። ግን ዲፈረንሱ ምንድነው? for ስንጠቀም compound sentence ላይ ነው። because as and since ስንጠቀም subordinating conjunction ናቸው። subordinating ማለት compound complex sentence ካልሆነ ደግሞ compound complex sentence የምንገልጽባቸው አያያዥ ቃሎች ናቸው። ያ ስለዚህ for to indicate reason or cause. We never begin a sentence with the verb for, but we had better insert for between the two clauses. That's one thing. Even though it has similar function with because, a sentence never begins with the word because. If we know the idea, the problem, the reason more emphatic, we had better use because rather than using for, as, and since. Even though they have the same function, they are in the same adverbs, okay? ምንም እንኳን because as and since አንድ አይነት adverb ቢሆኑም ሪዝኑ በጣም emphatic ከሆነና ሪዝኑ በተናጋሪው ብቻ የሚታወቅ ከሆነ ከas and since በተሻለ because መጠቀም that's better። አንድ ሁለተኛ because በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ሊመጣ አይችልም። at the same time for በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይም ሊመጣ በፍጹም አይችልም። ግን ምንድነው what is reason means? All right, አሁን it's clear examples ናቸው። ምክንያቱም የሰጠኋችሁ ምሳሌ ማሳየት ስለፈለኩ ነው። ግን in terms of examination ወይም in terms of writing a paragraph or writing essay, what appropriate coordinating conjunctions are important? እሱ ላይ ነው ትልቁ key question የሚሆነው። right? ይሄን እያየን ከሰራን ፓራግራፍ ስንጽፍ የትኛው coordinating conjunction ያስፈልጋል እሱ ነው ማሰብ የሚገባን please. So ለዚህ የምሰጣችሁ ምክንያት ምንድነው? first, what relationship between the two clauses have? ሁለቱ ክሎዞች ምን አይነት ዝምድና ነው ያለው? ለምሳሌ she stayed home, she was sleeping unwell. She stayed home, she was sleeping unwell. Why she was sleeping unwell? She was sleeping unwell ለመጀመሪያው ክሎዝ ምንድነው? ምክንያት ነው። she stayed ቤት ቆይታ የነበረበት ነገር ምንድነው? she was sleeping unwell ይሄ ምክንያት ነው። ይሄን ምክንያት የምትገልጽበት for ብለን ነው። okay, so what is the relationship between the two clauses here? How do you put she stayed at home, one main clause, for she was feeling unwell, another main clause. Main clause ማለት they stand by themselves and has a meaning. okay, ለእያንዳንዳቸው በራሳቸው ይቆማሉ፣ ጥገኛ አይደሉም፣ በራሳቸው ትርጉም አላቸው። so main clause እንላቸው። እነዚህ main clause ደግሞ compound sentence ነው ኮንስትራክት የሚያደርጉልን። that's ስለዚህ whenever we insert here this conjunction is there is a comma between the conjunction please yeah comma ከነሱ በፊት ቀድሞ ይመጣል ነው ከዛ በፊት ግን እዚህ ጋር ያመጣው እነዚህ fan ways ነው የሚባሉት actually fan f ማለት for ነው a ማለት end ነው this one is nor and this is but or yet so totally these are the 7 coordinating conjunction ምንላቸው እነዚህ ነው ሰባቱ በተቀሉ አክሮኒምስ አላቸው አክሮኒምሳቸው fan ways እንላቸዋለን meaning ሆኖ pronounce ይደረጋል ሜሞራይዝ ለማድረግ በቀላሉ እንይዛቸዋለን fan ways ማለት they are kinds of coordinating or they are totally called coordinating conjunctions ነው የምንላቸው so የመጀመሪያውን ፓርት ያየን ነው she was annoyed her roommate insulted her why she was annoyed look here she was annoyed her roommate insulted her annoyed ሆነችበት ምክንያት አለ ምናልባት ሩሜቷ አንሰልት አርጋት ይሆነ because ወይም ሌላ at the back የሆነ ፕሮብለም አለ በዛ ምክንያት annoyed ሆናለች ስለዚህ appropriate coordinating conjunctionአችን for ነው ይሄን አረፍተ ስታዩት compound sentence ታላች because every sentence has meaning and they can join with the coordinating conjunction for they are called compound sentence and there is a comma here they escaped from the prison for the commander in chief was corrupted because there was a reason why they escaped from the prison okay and then the commander in chief was corrupted ማንም ስለኛ ከስቢ ሊያመጣ ይችላል ማለት ምናልባት እንግዲህ እዛው ውስጥ ያለው የሆነ ንክኪ ካለው yeah that's the reason why anyways yeah that's the reason so you can just use for just like this please for instance I'm not going to work for I'm feeling unwell I'm not going to work for I'm not feeling unwell okay I'm not feeling unwell ዛሬ ስራ አልሄድም ነው ያደር ማይድበት ምክንያት I'm not feeling well ማለት ጥሩ ስሜት አልተሰማኝ I feel sick or I feel unwell feeling unwell the reason that I'm not going to work is reason ማይድበት maybe I have a meeting maybe I have family problem ሊሆን ይችላል maybe another problem behind me that's the reason behind that things is not going to happen in the future okay ቀጣይ ማተራቸው ስራዎች ከአደባክ የሆነ ችግር አለ ማለት ነው so ይሄንን reason እንገልጽበታለን ነው what about end ስትሉ if you add some information besides on the first one the correct coordinate conjunction is end ምን ማለት ነው add information ማለት ለመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ መጨመር የምንፈልግ ከሆነ end ነው የምንጠቀመው ስለዚህ ከመጀመሪያው ጋር ይለያያል completely reason ነው እዚህ ጋር እየገለጽ ካለው እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ ነው ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ይለያያሉ አጠቃቀማቸው ማለት ነው okay this is the most common conjunction whenever we speak whenever we write a paragraph and composition actually so what are the supplementary ideas for the first one supplementary ማለት የትኞቹ ሐሳቦች ለመጀመሪያው ምንድነው የተጨመሩ በምን መልኩ የተገለጹት we should identify that all right ለምሳሌ I finished my work and I went home I finished my work for I went for ማንለም I finished my work yet I went for አለም because I finished my work and then what I went home ተረዳችኋል I went home I finished my work ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ ነው እኔ በተጨማሪ የሰራው ስራ ነው ስለዚህ I finished my work and I went home so these are the second is the addition for the first one so it can be combined or joined with and look here there is a comma before the conjunction and that's absolutely true compare አድርጉት ከፎር ጋር they are different actually okay they are different that's why coordinative conjunctions have 7 and they have different purpose please we can go to the park and have a picnic here difference is እዚህ ጋር አሳይ we can go to the park and have a picnic here there is no conjunction that's called comma here እዚህ ጋር ምን የለም ኮማ ያለው ምክንያቱም አንድ አያያዝ ቃል ልክ እንደዚህ ሁለቱም ቨርቦች ከሆኑ and መካከል ላይ ወይም or መካከል ላይ ከገባ ኮማ ያስፈልጋል እዚህ ጋር ዲፈረንሱ ይሄ አንድ ራሱን የቻለ ክሎዝ ነው actually I went home ክሎዝ ነው ስለዚህ ኮማ ያስፈልጋል እዚህ ጋር ግን ከኤንድ ቀጥሎ የምታዩት ሲምፕሊ ቨርብ ነው በቨርብ ነው የጀመረው ስለዚህ ኮማን አንጠቀም ነው እዚህ ጋር the same subject ነው ኢምፕሊመንተሩ the same ነው and there is a comma here we can go to the park and have of course the same subject but the second clause begins with a verb the same subject ነው ሁለተኛው ነገር ግን ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ የጀመረው በቨርብ ነው ኮማ አያስፈልገንም that's the difference please እያያያዘው ምንድነው we can go to the park and have can go and have we can go to the park and can have a picnic ማለት እኮ ነው we can go to the park and can have a picnic ማለት ነው ስለዚህ no comma is needed here difference መታወቅ አለበት please yeah exactly he loves to read and she loves to write. Exactly. Look here. She loves one main clause. He loves to read another main clause. There is here and there is a comma. He loves to read. She loves to write. Definitely. When you count the third conjunction, nor. Nor means as negative alternatives. We can say that negative alternative. If the first is negative and the second is also negative, we can just use negative or negative emphasis, or we can say that negative. It go with neither ከማን ጋር ይሄዳል? ኖር ከናይዘር ጋር ይሄዳል። ሁለቱም ሐሳቦች ኔጌቲቭ ከሆኑ እሱን የምንገልጽበት ይሄን ሐሳብ የምንገልጽበት ብቸኛ ኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን ኖር ነው ማለት actually look here a present and negative alternatives please here ቅድም እዚህ ጋር ለማሳይ ለምሳሌ ሁለቱንም እኔ ካላደረኩ ሁለቱንም ሐሳብ ማያይዝበት ያልተፈጸሙ ጉዳዮችን ማያይዝበት ኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን ኖር ነው። ለምሳሌ I did not eat my breakfast and also I did not eat my lunch. ሁለቱንም አልፈጸምኩትም። ይሄን ሐሳብ ላይ ያይዝ የሚችለው ብቸኛ ኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን ኖር ብቻ ነው። ደግሞአለሁ ሁለት ያልተሰሩ ኖት the one not the other ሁለቱም ያልተሰሩ ናቸው። አለመሰራታቸው ማያያዝ ስፈልግ ኖር እንጠቀማለሁ። exactly please yeah ነገር ግን ኖር structure of the sentence inversion ነው። structure ማለት ሁለተኛውን ክሎዝ በኖር የምናያይዝ ከሆነ inversion ነው። inversion ማለት verb-ን አምጥተን ከዛ በኋላ subject just like a question mark. The structure is just like a question mark, not in the form of stating ideas or in the form of statements. That's rational, please, because it signifies about the verb. The verb carries the meaning. verb ላይ ስለሆነ ተርጉሙ ያለው ዋናው ነገር ኖር verb-ን ተከትሎ መሄድ ስላለበት inversion እንጠቀማለን ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ ላይ ከሌሎቹ አያያዥ ቃል የሚለይበት ዋና ምክንያቱ ይሄ ነው። ለምሳሌ he doesn't like coffee. He doesn't enjoy tea ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሁለቱም ቡናም አይጠጣም ሻይም አይጠጣም ማለት ነው። ይሄንን ነገር ስናያይዘው he doesn't like coffee nor does he enjoy tea ማለት ነው። yes nor does he enjoy tea. ስለዚህ he doesn't like both tea and coffee ሁለቱንም አይጠቀም። ስለዚህ inversion ማለት ይሆን it begins with the verb and the subject and the action verb and finally the object must be written here. It's clear. The movie was not entertaining nor well acted. No comma here because it joins only the verbs. Okay, no subject is written here, no clause is written here, so simply a comma is not required, but the way that we combine this is no, because both of the events didn't by the person, didn't by were not show it didn't show about the movies, right? ስለዚህ ኖር ይሄ አገልግሎት አለው ከኤንድ ጋርና ከፎር ጋር ኮምፕሊት ላይ ያገኘው ሁለት ኔጌቲቭ የሆኑ ሐሳቦችን የምናያይዝበት ብቸኛ የያዝ ቃላችን ዳሲስ ኖር እንለዋለን። ለምሳሌ አንድ ምሳሌ ጨምር። ለምሳሌ he is not active እንደዚህ ብል he is not active or he is not talented talented ለምሳሌ ይሄ ሁለቱንም ያሳየውታል። look here he's not active and he's not talented ሁለቱ አክቲቭም አይደለም ታለንትም አይደለም ታለንትፉልም ታለንትድም አይደለም he's not active he's not talented ስለዚህ ሁለቱንም አልሆነም ማለት he is not active nor is talented ብዬ ነው የማያይዘው ኦኬ he is not active nor is talent ኮማ ያስፈልገኝም nor is plus talent አይደለም active አይደለም the right conjunction here is nor nice next one but is clear but show contrast ነው but ማለት ልዩነቱ ምንድነው coordinating conjunction ነው ሁለት ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦችን የምናያይዝበት ብቸኛ coordinating conjunction ነው ሁለት ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦችን ነው የምናያይዘው of course it has similar meaning with also even though and also however nevertheless nonetheless ልዩነታቸው ይሄ coordinating conjunction ነው also even though subordinating ናቸው however nevertheless and እንደዚህኞቹ ደግሞ ምንድናቸው conjunctive adverb ናቸው absolutely right it was a difficult but rewarding journey it was a difficult but rewarding journey exactly no conjunction no comma between here because it's as I told you before the second clause begins simply the verb so I want to go for a run but it started to rain yeah but it's right and the comma is needed before the word but, absolutely here. The other conjunction is or ስትጠቀሙ ሁለት አማራጭ ጉዳዮች አማራጭ ሐሳቦች ሲቀርቡላችሁ or እንጠቀማለን ከባት ከሶ ይለያል ማለት ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ look, we can leave now or we can wait until tomorrow. We can leave now አሁን ካልሆነ we can wait until tomorrow እስከ ነገ ድረስ መቆየት alternatives are choice are given, so the right conjunction here is or. You can pay with cash, by credit card or with a mobile wallet or cash in hand. አማራጭ mobile wallet ካልሆነ ደግሞ with cash by credit or with cash by credit ይቻላል with a mobile wallet መክፈቻ አማራጮች አሉ። ስለዚህ or ከባት ይለያል ከሌሎች አያያዥ ቃሎች ይለያል። is clear please. even ከኖር ይለያል or ከኖር ይለያል ኖር ይለያል። ይሄ ከማን ጋር ይሄዳል? or ከአይዘር or ጋር ይሄዳል። either or ማለት ደግሞ one of the two ማለት ነው። ከሁለት አንዱ ነው። ሁለቱንም ማለት አይደለም። ኖር ማለት ደግሞ ሁለቱንም አይደለም። የመጀመሪያው ነው ሁለተኛውንም አይደለም። ኖር እንጠቀማለን። ዲፈረንሳቸው ሁለቱ በዚህ መልክ እንገልጻቸዋለን። and number 6 yet it had the same meaning with but it is a strong emphasis of but. ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አለው ከበት ጋር ግን strong emphasis የምንሰጥበት አያያዥ ቃላችን የት ነው? to show contrast or unexpected result ማለት strong emphasis. Strong emphasis thinks that the writer or maybe the person who writes give high emphasis should be emphasized, should be combined with yet. Exactly please. ከዛኛው የሚለይበት strong የሆነ contrast መንፈጥር ነው። ሐሳቡ በጣም surprising የሆነ contrast ካለው ባትን ከመጠቀም yet መጠቀሙ more ሐሳቡን ግልጽ ያደርገዋል። that look here, the sun was shining yet the air was cold. Shining, look here, the sun was shining, please, it's bright day yet the air was cold. But the air was cold possible no, but the air was cold ይቻላል ግን the idea needs strong emphasis, right? አሁን ፀሐይ ወጥቶ ምናምን ሆኖ የአየር ጸባው ቀዝቃዛ ነበር ብትል maybe ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው but this idea gave and wanted and strong emphasis ሐሳቡ ግን በጣም አጽንኦት ተሰጥቶበት ሊገለጽ የሚገባው ስለሆነ የትን መጠቀሙ አረፍተ ነገር more clear ያደርገዋል። He is very rich yet he lives in a simple life. I know that's clear. He is very rich and he is very rich በጣም ሀብታም ነው የሚኖረው ግን ቀለል ያለ ማንኛውም እኔ አንተ አንቺ የምንኖረውን አይነት ኖረው so it needs a strong emphasis. It's not such a normal sentence. These two main clauses cannot be combined with but because the second clause refers about something which is a surprising event. So I can infer this surprising event with the coordinating conjunction all in yet. That's what I want to say about yet, please. Even though they have the same function with yet, but if I want to give more emphasis about the clauses, I have better use yet. That's what I would say about that. Nice. Question number. So, it indicates result or consequence. Result, cause, effect. ውጤትን ነው የሚያሳየኝ። yes, the second is ለከንትና ጋር ገናኝት ከፎር ጋር ፎር ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ ሪዝን ነው። ለሪዝኑ ስንገልጽ ፎር እንጠቀማለን። ሶ ላይ ስትመጡ ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ ሪዘልት ነው። ሪዘልት ከሆነ ደግሞ በሶ እናያይዛለን። it was raining so we canceled the picnic. Exactly. Why it was raining? Why we canceled? Because it was raining. He was tired so he went to bed early. Exactly. So result na cause result cause effect የምንገልጽበት coordinating conjunctionችን that the word is so. That's what I want to signify about this one. That's okay please. Anyway, we have 7 types of coordinating conjunction and we use these conjunctions for different purposes and I give examples. Let's come to some of the questions here please. እስኪ ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራናቸው ሂዱ please. Abel forgot to set his alarm. He overslept and missed the bus for school. What do you think about them please? Abel forgot to set his alarm. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ጥያቄ ስትመልሱ ሁለተኛውን ክሎዝ ነው ማየት ያለብን። ሁለተኛው ክሎዝ ሪዝን ነው ሪዘልት ነው or negative emphasis ናቸው alternative ነው or maybe ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው ኮንትራስት ነው ከጀሲር Yeah, Abel forgot to set his alarm. So he overslept. Exactly. So ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው ማለት ነው። So because the second clause is the result for the first one. Yeah. Tom showed great potential. Tom showed great potential. He got into accidents frequently. Look here. Tom showed great potential. He has a great potential. He got into accidents frequently. Okay? ተከታታይ አደጋ ቴኬሪንግ ራሱን በጣም በጥንቃቄ ቴኬር የሚያደርግ ልጅ ነው ቶም። ነገር ግን ኮንቲኒየስ የሆነ አክሲደንት ያጋጥመው ነበር ነው ያለን ያለው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሁለተኛው ክሎዝ? የሁለተኛው ክሎዝ ሪዘልት ሪዝን or maybe contrast ምንድነው ሊሆን የሚችለው? Have you seen? Yeah? So what's the answer here? Yet ካላችሁ absolutely ልክ ነው። Yeah. Yet because it is a surprising event ነው please. Even though ማለት ነው even though he showed great potential he got into accidents frequently ማለት ነው ማለት ያ Tom showed great potential however he got into accidents frequently ማለት ነው absolutely right. So the answer is yet ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው። Nice. Question number 3. The new plans were feasible. They came with certain exactly. Yeah, it's clear please. I want to take care of the second clause please. The new plan were feasible. Feasible means workable. They came with certain constraint means problems, shortages ማለት ነው አይደል? Were feasible. They came with certain constraints. What is the intention of the second clause? The result, reason ነው, cause effect ነው, or alternative ነው, negative ነው, strong emphasis ነው. ይሄን አሳሰብ ነው እዚህ ጋር ማምጣት ያለብን። ስለዚህ the answer should be what? Yet ነው ማለት ነው። ልክ ነው እኮ ፕላኑ ፊዚብል ነው ከተባለ of course everything is going well ነው አይደል? መሰራት ይችላል ነው። ነገር ግን ምንድነው እያለ yes they came with certain constraints. ፊዚብል ቢሆንም ግን constraints አለበት አፈጻጸም ላይ። ስለዚህ ኤምፋሲስ መስጠት የተፈለገበት ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ መሆናቸው የትን ያስጠቅማቸዋል። Exactly please. Number 4. Peter spent all his money on a new computer. Yeah, Peter ያለውን ሳንቲሙን ኒ ኮምፒውተር ላይ አውሎታል ገዝቶበታል። Yeah, he can't afford to go on holiday. ስለዚህ ሆሊዴይ በዓል ላይ ለመሄድ ደግሞ አፎርድ የሚያደርገው ገንዘብ የለውም ነው እያላችሁ ያለው። so ማለት ነው yes. So okay, because that's the result for the first one. The result one. Peter spent all his money on his computer, so he can't afford to go on holidays. Yeah, so Helen is very intelligent. She struggles with social interaction. Number 5. Look here, Helen is very intelligent. Take care, please, guys. Helen is very intelligent. Yes, I know. Helen is very intelligent. She struggles with social interaction. Intelligent ነሽ አሁን ምንድነው struggle ማለት actually she doesn't have just good social interaction. She doesn't have well-mannered social interaction. Well-mannered social interaction የሚወላት ነገር አለ ማለት ነው። even though she is intelligent ማለት እኮ ነው አለ። ስለዚህ but Helen is very intelligent. Even though Helen is very intelligent, she struggles social interaction. It struggles ማለት እኮ she doesn't have any smooth relationship with the others ማለት ነው አይደል? She doesn't have even though intelligent ብትሆን እንኳን something ሚስ ያደረገች ነው something የሚጎላት poor social interaction አላት ማለት እኮ ነው አይደል? She struggles ማለት የሚያሳየው poor social interaction አላት. She doesn't have well managed የሆነ social interaction የላትም. So that's the reason why I use but here. So but እንድትጠቀም ያደረገኝ. He doesn't like coffee. Blank does. Here of course ምንም አያስቸግርም. nor መክተት because there are two negations here, negative alternatives. He doesn't like coffee nor does he drink tea. Exactly. ምሳሌ ላይ ስለተቀመጠ. So here number 7. The football team trained the legendary Osimhen. They went to exactly. Yeah. Number 7. Yes, right. The football team trained the legendary Osimhen. They went to win the competition. So right. ለምንድን ነው ኦልሰመርን ትሬን ሲያደርጉ የነበረው? ማሸነፍ ስላለባቸው ነው አለ 4 ማሸነፍ ስላለ ሪዝኑ እሱ ነው because they want to when we feel the competition of course. Rahil had a brilliant academic record. Absolutely. She struggled. ቅድም ጋር ተነጋገርነው yes. She struggled she struggled yet. Rahil had a brilliant academic. She struggled to find employment in her field of study. Yes, አያችሁት? even though Rahel had a brilliant academic record, she struggled to find ልክ ነው yes struggled ማለት she is not or she was not in a position to work in an organization in an office አይደለችም አይደለ ብሪሊያንት አካዳሚክ ሪከርዱ የተሻለ ቢሆንም ኦፊስ ውስጥ ኢምፕሎይመንት አልሆነችም ኦፊስ ውስጥ አልሆነችም ነው እኮ እያለች አለ Rahel had a brilliant academic record yes she struggled to find employment yes አላገኘም ለምሳሌ even though I had all the necessary qualifications I didn't get a job እንደዚህ ነው እኮ ምንም እንኳን necessary qualification ቢኖረኝም ስራ ማግኘት አልቻልኩም ነበር ስል የት ማለት ነው because I want to give emphasis about her academic record with unable to find a job or unable to become employment that's please እሱ ነው ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ struggled የሚለው ነገር እሷን ወደ ኋላ እንዳስቀራት ሐሳቡ ኔጌሽን እንደሆነ ያሳያቸዋል እኮ struggled nice please question number 9 he decided to take a nap he was feeling tired from a late night out why he decided to take a nap nap a short sleep ማለት ነው yes maybe a 5 or 3 to 5 minutes nap 3 to 5 minutes sleep yeah ከ3 ደቂቃ አጭር ደቂቃ ናፕ መውሰድ ማለት ረፍት መውሰድ so why he was feeling yes for he was feeling exactly because he was feeling so reason ነው የሚገኝ because he was feeling tired from a late out night ሌሊት ሲሰራ ስለነበረ ደክሞ ስለነበር አሁን ትንሽ ናፕ መውሰድ ይፈልግ ነበር of course ልክ ነው so the reason why he decided to take a nap is because he was feeling tired from a late out night nice please question number 11 question number 10 Rahel didn't study for her exams yeah of course no because the structure gives me a clue here because the second clause begins a verb nor did she review her notes አላጠናችም የጻፈችውም ኖት ሪቪው አላደረገችም ሁለቱንም አልፈጸችም ኔጌቲቭ ማለት ነው ይሄ ነው ኔጌቲቭ ሁለት ኔጌሽን ናቸው so no Ali is a smart student Ali is a smart student blank he struggles yeah exactly it's bad yeah ይሄ ፍንጭ የሚሰጣቸው ነገር አለ please yes she forgot to water the flowers yes she forgot to water the flowers blank they wilted and died exactly ምንም question number and look here yes she forgot to water the flowers ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምንለው ይሄን yes she forgot to water the flowers ረስተዋለች አበባዎቹ ማጠጣት they wilted and died so the answer is ምንድነው የሚሆኑት end yeah end yes she forgot to water the flowers and they wilted and died ማጠጣቱን ረስታቸው ስለዚህ ምን ይላሉ ይጠወልጉና ይሞታሉ ሞተዋል ጠውልገው ሞተዋል ነው የሚላቸው ኮረለ the wilted and died nice question number 30 she promised to be there on time exactly but here because contrast with she arrived late as usual okay she promised to be there on time በሰዓት ዛጋ on time እንደምድረስ ፕሮሚስ አድርጋለች ነገር ግን as usual እንደተለመደው ዘግይታ ደርሳለች ሁለቱ ሐሳብ ተቃራኒ ናቸው but you can have pastry cake all right nice or you can have pastry cake or chocolate ice cream because there are two alternatives and no comma is needed here comma ያስፈልገውን ቅድም ምክንያቱም ተናግሬያለሁ ሁለት አልተርናቲቮች ማለት pastry cake ወይም chocolate ice cream አማራጮች አሉ so that's one 15 Jonathan worked all day he still didn't finish work Jonathan you are right Jonathan worked all day but he still didn't yeah but ሙሉ ቀን ነው የሰራው ነገር ግን ሙሉ ቀንም ሰርቶት ስራውን ምን አላደረገም ማለት ነው አልጨረሰም ነበር ፕሮጀክቱን አልጨረሰም ነበር so contrast view ነው actually contrast view ነው Jonathan worked all day but he still didn't finish the project አላለቀም ማለት ነው ስለዚህ but or ሊሆን አይችልም yet so for ሊሆን አይችልም please the game didn't start on time yes nor did nice good please yeah ፍንጭ የሚሰጣችሁ ነው it begins with inversion with the verb ነው ጌሙ በሰዓት አልጀመረም ነበር እንደገና ማህበረሰቡ የሚጠብቀውን ኤክስፔክቴሽን ማላሳየም ነበር ጨዋታው ማለት ነው ሁለት ነገር አልታየም it didn't show about the people's expectation and it didn't start with the exact time both things were negative too so that is negation strong negation which can be combined with nor all right which can be combined with nor question number 17 you must choose the red dress all right yeah or blue dress here because alternatives yeah Question number 18. Alternative ስለሆነ ነው clear question ነው ያ look at Peter cleaned the garage. James Smith and James Smith no or James Smith the floor ያ ሁለቱም ጋራጁን ነው የሚያወሩት ፕሊዝ እዛ አካባቢ ያለ ጉዳይ ነው አማራጭ ነው of course or እንጠቀማለን end ሊሆን አይችልም please. Question number 90. Alex went for work early. The boss wanted him to finish the project as soon as possible. Alright, why did Alex go for work early? There is something behind it, አይደለ? ለምንድን ነው አሊ ከዩዥዋል ታይሙ ቀድሞ ወደ ቢሮ የገባው? Because he wanted to do something in his office. Because I don't know, he might have a meeting, he might have to do something, and he must complete his project work. There might be some more reasons why he went to his work early, or because the manager wanted him to do something with Alex. Okay, so that ዝም ብላችሁ ሐሳቡ ስታዩትም አሊ ቀድሞ ወደ ስራ የሄደበት ምክንያት ሪዝን አለው ነው ሪዘልት አይደለም ወይም ኤምፋሲስ አይደለም አዲሽን አይደለም ኮንትራስት አይደለም so 4 is the right coordinating conjunction please. David is wise, smart and ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም. Kebere's car ran out of gas. Yeah. Kebere's car here. Kebere's car ran out of gas. I need to call for assistance. Yes, ran out of gas. ምንም ጋዝ የሚሰር ከበረ ካር መኪና ነዳጅ የላትም ነው so I need ሪዘልቱ ምንድነው assistance support እንዲያደርጉ help እንዲያደርጉ ሰው መጥራት ነው I need የሰው ፈልጋ to call for assistance yeah or maybe to move and park over there of course so the second is the result for the first one exactly so the right coordinating conjunction. These are the 21 conjunction questions focusing on the coordinating conjunction please. I think I'm intended to give or I give you some important information beginning from the definition of coordinating conjunctions and you can just use this conjunctions in making paragraphs please. በተለይ ጥንቃቄ የምናደርገው ምንድነው እነዚህን መሰራት ያለብን ጉዳይ ምንድነው ፓራግራፍ ስንጽፍ ኢሴ ስንጽፍ የሆነ ሌተር ራይቲንግ ስንጽፍ ካለ እነዚህ ኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀንክሽን ምንም ሐሳብ ማሰራት ስለማንችል የግድ እነዚህ መጠቀም እንዳለብኝ I want to give emphasis please here but I don't have time anyway I would like to give a paragraph using this coordinating conjunction. ሁለተኛ እዚህ ፓርት የሚቀጥለው በእነዚህ እዚሁ ፓራግራፍ እየጻፍኩ ነው ማሳየው እንዴት እንጠቀምባቸዋለን yes ለምሳሌ I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning, but I did the first bath. Look here. I wake up early in the morning. ለምሳሌ look here. I wake up early. Look here. But I missed the first bath. Look here. The first bath. And look here. I took a private ride. Okay. A private ride. Yes. አሁን እነዚህ ያደረኩ ሐሳብ መግለጽ ይችላል please. አንድን ሐሳብ ራሱ ናሬት ማድረግ I wake up early. Look here. No, I wake up early, but I missed the first bus and I took a private ride. Yeah. I'll continue just like this please. ገብታችኋል ልክ እንደዚህ እያደረኩ አንድ የራሴን ሐሳብ ናሬት እያደረኩ መሄድ ይችላል ልክ እነዚህን appropriate coordinating conjunction in the right place የምጠቀምባቸው ከሆነ የምጽፈው ፓራግራፍ ሴንስፉል ይሆናል ሳይሆን ሴንስፉል ይሆናል አንባቢን ይማርካል that's why I want to say this please and try to practice. I think you'll get some important pointers and the second part as I told you I'll give you composition writing and also essay writing today. That's enough. Thank you.